Here is a quick video on how you can verify your Cash App ID. Unfortunately, I'm unable to show you through the application itself, but I'll just be guiding you through with its official help website. Now, how you can verify your Cash App account. Now, first thing first, to verify your Cash App account, you'll need to follow the following steps. First, after you get the Cash App and log into your account, you're going to link your bank account or debit card. To verify your Cash App account, you need to link a valid bank account or debit card. This step is necessary to add funds to your Cash App balance and make transactions. Follow the prompts in the app to securely link your bank account or debit card. Then complete the verification process. To fully verify your Cash App account, you may need to provide additional information. The specific requirements may vary based on your activity and the features you want to access. The common verification steps are to verify your personal information. Full name, provide your full legal name as it appears on your identity documents. Date of birth, enter your date of birth accurately, and address. Then verify your identity, social security number, SSN. Cash App may ask for the last 4 digits of your SSN, or it may also ask for full SSN in some cases, and it'll ask you for government issued photo ID or such as driver's license or passport. Then you want to verify your source of funds. Income verification. Cash App may ask for information regarding your income of source of funds to comply with regulatory requirements. Then check your verification status. Simply open the Cash App and tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Select security and privacy, navigate to identity verification. If your account is verified, it will display as verified. If not, you can simply tap on continue verification and continue the process. So this way you can verify your Cash App ID. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.